This is slide number 8, and it is so straightforward, no sugarcoating. All you have to do is make a histogram. It says which histogram match, but you're actually going to be matching the histogram. Making a histogram, so you want to draw your bars. I'm going to change the numbers. So you're going to use these numbers on your slides, but I don't want to tell you the answer, so I'm going to change the numbers. We're going to put, let's say 5. Let's do 10 right here. Let's do 1 between one teacher between that ran with the distance of 20 to 29, and then we're going to put 6 right here. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use these numbers. So it says this is a table right here. I'm going to use this table to make a histogram. So down here we have the distance in miles, and I cut that part off. And right here we have the number of teachers. So it says the distance in miles between 0 and 9. So the number we will use that frequency here. Number of teachers is 5 between 0 and 9 miles. So between 0 and 9 miles, I'm going to go up to the number 5. Now I know 5 is halfway between 4 and 6. So I'm going to put a line right here, and that's where I'm going to draw my bar. So I'm going to get my highlighter, and I'm going to just color inside of that. The frequency between 0 and 9 needs to go up to the number 5. So this is how you make a histogram. All right, and then the next one, we have between the frequency 10 and 19. 10 and 19 is right here. We want to go to number 10. So 10 is all the way up here at the line. So I'm going to go up to the number 10, which is right here. And then I have to fill in all of the boxes below that. So it needs to go up to 10. So I'm going to go ahead and color in those boxes. So all of this. Make sure you use the numbers on your slide. So basically, it's a histogram. You're using the numbers to make the histogram. It's just like a dot plot, only you're dealing with intervals instead of specific data points. All right, the next one says between 20 and 29 miles, there is 1 teacher. So I'm going to go to number 1. So 1 is halfway between 0 and 2. So this is where my histogram is going to go up to. And then I'm going to fill that in. And then lastly, between the distance of 30 to 39, I'm going to go up to the frequency 6, which is right here. And then I'm going to color that in. So this is how you complete a histogram. All you have to do is use the data to go between intervals. And that's that. So on yours, make sure you use the original numbers. This is just an example of how to do it.